Hello, welcome to another episode of DIY Web Strategy Labs. And in today's lab, we're working on WordPress and adding fake content to the WordPress custom theme that we're creating. And it'll help us, this fake content will help us to be able to design our website a little bit better. So we're going to use a plugin called FakerPress. I already installed it. In order for you to install it, all you got to do is go to add new and then search plugins for FakerPress. And it'll show up right here. If not here, then it'll probably be in the list, but I don't see anything else here, so it'll definitely be here. And I'm gonna activate that real quick because it'll say for you install now and you can install it, but right now I'm activating it. And I'm gonna go to FakerPress real quick and create some fake content. Where is it at? Oh, there it is. Go into okay, we got settings, posts. We want to create, let's say about, wait. Um, 10. Do I want that many posts? Yeah. 10 to 20. So it'll start from April 2nd. Let's choose a earlier date. Create some videos too. Allow comments. That's fine. Let's generate it. It'll take a minute or two for it to generate all this content. Once it's done, we're going to see what that content turned out to look like. It's still not done, but I'm sure I got some stuff. Yeah, I got some stuff here. So yeah, now we got some dummy content in here. And that'll do it. Let's see. So it faked 10. Okay. So that's pretty much it. That's all you got to do in order to get some dummy content created. Let's go to posts, all posts, and let's go to all videos. And we got a few dummy content creations here. Not bad. I wanted to get more videos though, and I only got 4. We can only go down one more page on that homepage. I'd rather it show more videos as well, not just 3. So we're gonna work on some of that stuff in the future, but in the meantime we got to create more page design. So we have the index here. This is the home page. Now we got to create the single post page, the page, and the categories page, and the 404 page. We got to create all these pages for our design. So we'll do that in the next video, one by one. So I think the next page will start with the 404. All right, see you in the next one. Peace.